My name is Ralph and welcome to my Chef's Talk. Here I want to present you with some recipes and dishes which one I like to cook for my family and which one are from Europe. Therefore, I have ordered some special products which one I like to introduce you, and let's see what we can cook with that. Here we are. This is from Alpütte, the little European meat factory. I've ordered some stuff and I want to show you what's all in this box. So let me introduce you quickly what we have here. So for our breakfast, we have some beer sausage, very nicely. And we have the French Leona, which one is a white meat. It's very nice. Plus we have the Swiss Sim, the Bologna, which one is a little bit more piquant. Very nice for breakfast. Kids gonna love it. Then I ordered this because of course I'm from Germany and I want to have some bratwurst tonight. However, this normally you can just eat nicely grilled. For the season right now it's very nice, just with some mustard. But I will make it a whole meal and I will show you what we can do with that. With that, I have ordered some sauerkraut. So this is the original one, which is an apple sauerkraut. Very nice. It's basically braised cabbage, and this is gonna fit very nicely with my sausages. However, Daniel has made another product, which is a pineapple sauerkraut. He uses the pineapples from here from Taiwan. He dries them and put them inside. It's very nice, and I think it's a very nice flavor. But for today, we're gonna use apple sauerkraut because it fits better with the sausages. On the second hand, I have here the original onion meatloaf. Once I open the package, I will show you how it looks inside. It's basically a complete meal for 4 people, even for 8 people. You can bake it in the oven by 160 degrees for about 20 minutes. I'll show you how to do that. Or you can slice it, what I prefer, because you can pan fry it just in your you can just pan fry it, make it nicely, and add some vegetables to it. I show you how to do that. And here is a mushroom meatloaf, which one has whole mushrooms inside. So I will show you once I cut it. And we got a little free gift, which one is the Daniel special seasoning. It's very nice. Okay, so all the products, and now I will show you on my second step what we're going to serve with that. Here we go, our first dish for tonight. Our meatloaf with mashed potato, green peas and carrots. German Bratwurst with onion sauce, sauerkraut and mashed potato. Okay, this concludes Chef's Talk with Ralph. This is the special meat products which I will use today. If you like to order them, there's a special set. Please follow the link by the end of the video. It's free delivery and you have the free samples of the seasoning. If you have any products which you would like me to do for you and make a dish, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching Ralph and Chef's Talk.